welcome back. Today I'm still going to continue the campus tour with Imane here. So one of the most frequently asked questions I get from high school students is what does the lecture theater and room looks like here in HKBU? So let me show you now. Let's go. Here we are at the lecture theater, which can host up to 100 students, but HKBU also has larger lecture theaters that can hold classes with over 400 students. And this is what the lecture room looks like. Although the class size is smaller than the lecture theater, it is equipped with essential IT and AV equipment. Actually, one of the reasons why I chose HKBU is because of the favorable class size and the good student-to-teacher ratio. The close-knit environment at HKBU allows students to maintain a strong relationship and bond with the teaching staff. Currently, we have around 7,300 undergraduate students and nearly 700 full-time faculty and teaching staff.
Shaw Campus is the primary base for the School of Business, and some of the facilities are only dedicated for the business school students. Let me show you one of the labs.
Let's go.
The Bloomberg Laboratory, equipped with 12 Bloomberg terminals, allows us students to familiarize ourselves with one of the most powerful systems used by financial professionals worldwide. The terminal allows us to monitor and analyze real-time financial data, as well as to provide us with news, price quotes, and secure messaging.
I feel hungry after the lectures and the lab classes. Do you?
Yes.
Let's find something to eat.
Recently, I've noticed there are more vegetarian and halal meal options here on campus for students to choose from.
So here in iCafe, we have a lot of food options. We have some handcrafted coffee, some salads, some sandwiches, some hot dishes, and cakes. What's your favorite order?
My favorite drink here is the hazelnut latte hot.
Nice order. Mine is the cappuccino. Okay, for our orders, we got the raclette cheese and tomato pita bread, which is a vegetarian option. And then we also got the white truffle and beef salami sandwich, which is also a halal option. And here for our drinks, we got the hazelnut latte and the oat tea latte. So I think we covered a lot today about Shaw Campus, don't you think? So that's it for today's episode. See you next time. Cheers!